Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit song in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application and I have imported my song to CapCut. So this is the song, and if you want to edit the song, we just need to tap on the song like this, and then you have to tap on the song again until there's a feature appear on your screen. And we can edit the song using the CapCut features. You can split the song, you can put an effect to your song, you can also increase or decrease the volume, and you can also speed up a song, and you can also make it slower. And for example, I'm going to put voice effect to my song, so just click on voice effect right here, then just select the voice effect that you want to use. And for instance, I'm going to use low voice effect. Okay, so just tap on the effect, then we can adjust the pitch and the timbre, and after we're done adjusting the effect, we can click on this check mark button. Then if you want to speed up your song, you just need to click on speed up right here. Then you can control the speed of your song. You can go right to increase the speed, and you can go left to reduce the speed. And for example, I'm going to make it faster like this, and after that we just need to click on this check mark button after we are done. Then if you want to increase the volume, you can click on volume option right here, then you can go right like this to increase the volume. Okay, and after that we just need to click on this check mark button. Alright, and if you want to put a fade in or fade out effect, you can click on fade option right here. Then you can select the duration of the effect. You can go right like this to increase the duration or select the duration. Okay, and after we're done, as you saw, we just need to click on this check mark button. Then you can explore it by yourself, guys. You can edit the song as you want by the CapCut features. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit song in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.